Today I spent most of the day talking with the Moore. We were planning out the next patch, how we're gonna release it, what is gonna go in. But that's not what I want to show you today. More visually, what I did uh, was regarding adding the lore of the cards to the game. And we did make like revamp the card panel a little bit, so now it's a little bit bigger. Like the idea, I mean, the original idea, to be honest, was we added the card description on the side here. And I'll probably add some pictures here in the video so you can see how it was in the brainstorming phase. But it was kind of cluttered, so we decided to like, no, let's make into this button here, and it's gonna open another panel where you can see the card's description, right? Basically the physical description, the behavior, basically like the description of the card. But not many people care about that. There's more people that like to read and care about the lore of the game. So we just say, okay, let's put a button dedicated for that. And then we have a lot of real estate to make the card really big. And I think that's really cool now, because then you can see the actual art of the cards, right? And they are really cool. I mean, I'm biased, but so we just make it bigger. And we started adding quotes, and they is more than one quote, so it's gonna be random. So for example, this card here, I'm pretty sure there are 2 quotes. Yes. So the idea of these quotes is to, in a very efficient and like fast way, for you to really understand, instead of like read like pages of lore, you just read like one quote and you get the idea of the card. This is probably my favorite one. See, like it's so simple. Like this is it's an explosive dog. So with this quote alone, you should understand what the card is about. Let me see if I can. There's this one. I think there's a quote here as well. And like, sure, like some are supposed to be funny, some is supposed to be more serious. But ideally, again, like the main job of the quote is like in one sentence for you to understand what the card is about. This one is based on the kind of like the meme as well, like the mess with the crab where you get the stable. So, but again, it's very fitting here. So like if you remember that quote, you kind of know, oh wow, this card has a backstabbing. So that was it. That's the main improvement, I think, to the game. Everything else was like small stuff, just finishing, wrapping up stuff from yesterday. So essentially like putting the new cards into the map, so you can see like Yaoi here. See another map, Terry. And by the way, yeah, so we also changed the names of 2 cards because they were kind of difficult to pronounce or kind of lame. So Rowana became Ferdirus and Hoinger became Kirik. And you can see here, I think, yeah, we added the shark. Like, there was not a good place to add the shark because like we still have more areas in the world, so we don't really have like many places with actual ocean. The only ocean in the game right now is kind of the starting zone, so we didn't want to put the big shark here. And yeah, anyway, this yeah, we also have we're just gonna be porting out the things that we already have in the wiki. So I mean, if you guys don't know, we're basically like already putting stuff on Hive. The idea is to have this wiki outside of the game. Right now it's mostly like placeholder stuff. So for example, there's this like AI description, which is probably not finalized, but it's around like kind of what we want to do. So it's already here and we're gonna keep editing, but the idea is to have this wiki. I mean, most of the information should be in the game, right? But for example, if you have stuff like, I don't know, people talk about strategies and everything, like, or if they just wanna link in a video and in another post or something, so like you have this link outside the game with all the relevant information. So we already have some stuff in the wiki. I mean, a bunch of the stuff is we're not gonna use, but yeah, we're gonna start placing it here, but probably not in the next patch. You can see in the next patch, this is essentially the main thing that probably people gonna care. And actually, we did this just a minor bug fix today as well about the ascend seasons. So the idea was just we're gonna have these like seasons on the ascend mode, and they're gonna the idea is that they're gonna be like every week. So, but before we need to test, make sure it is resetting properly. Once it is, then we're gonna probably like next week or so, we're gonna start testing, and if it works, then we can have like actual crypto rewards in the game for anyone that should be able to earn, even like completely for free. You don't need to put anything. So that's it. That's most of see, there's basically just these things left here for the next patch, and that's probably when I'm gonna be doing the next couple of days. So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, see you tomorrow.